Elon Musk lures workers back to the office with wild horses. That's it. We're going to move on to the next one. That's all I'm going to say to you. What a headline. I mean, they got me. Laura, you got me over on fool.com. Feeling like a fool. This was an Instagram post. I read the article. I saw, okay, it's an Instagram post. I'm like, wait, Elon Musk doesn't use Instagram. So I'm like, oh, this was a post from Tesla. Tesla's Instagram account recruiting potential employees because they're building this massive facility in Nevada. And they're looking for people to come work there. The Instagram post, which, by the way, has been deleted now, another interesting thing, promoted the idea to come to the new Nevada factory battery plant, which may become the world's largest building when it's completed. An expected 6 million square foot footprint equal to 126 football fields. And then when you count the different floors, you could be looking between 10 and 15 million square feet.
Nice.
Can you even fathom 15 million square feet? Just like you open the door and there's 15 million square feet.
If it's an empty room.
Yeah, just one empty room, 15 million square feet.
Yeah.
Would you go curl up in the corner?
Yeah. I'll just put my desk right here alongside the wall.
Not right in the middle? You try to find the middle spot. You try to find the middle spot.
Get lost.
15 million square feet. Anyway, no, I'm sure they got a plan for it. But anyway, the post said, come work at the biggest and most advanced factory on Earth, located by a river near the beautiful Sierra Nevada mountains with wild horses roaming free.
So he actually didn't rent the horses.
No. I there's apparently horses around that region, and he was just using them as sort of a natural. Right. But I don't even think he wrote this, to be fair, because like I said, he's not on. Does he proof these recruitment posts? So that's a bit misleading. But anyway, the other thing in this article, they got mad about using the wild horses because they're saying, well, you're putting this huge gigafactory. Maybe the wild horses don't like that too much. And all the people you're about to bring in to go into this gigafactory to sit in the middle of 15 million square feet, unless you're going to invite the horses in, which I doubt you're going to do.
No.
So I guess people were, I don't know. Really, this is a headline. I just wanted to say these words. I just needed to investigate the headline. And now I have forced everybody who watches this to also investigate the headline. What do horses have to do with anything? Well, now you know. Not much, but they're there. And if you go work at the Gigafactory, you might see one. I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, my goodness.